Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Harisa Anafi, and I want to explain you about Dart. In this video, I will explain you about Dart in a very simple way. This is perfect for beginners. Okay, let's get started. Okay, what is Dart? Dart is a general purpose programming language designed for building web, mobile, and server application. It is developed by Google. And what are the features of Dart? That features is object-oriented, class interface, and makes sense. Strongly typed. It is statically typed but has type inference. High for performance and fast development. And how to setting up Dart? Uh, the first is install Dart SDK from the official website. And I want to show you later. And the second is set up an IDE like Visual Studio Code. And the three, install the Dart plugin for the IDE. And the last is create a new Dart project and start coding. And this is basic Dart syntax. In variables, use var variable int for integer, double, string for text, and into function, define function using void or a return type. And the last is control flow that supports if else, for, while, and switch. And I will start with the most basic part, that is comments. Okay, and I want to explain you what is comment. Comment are not executed by the computer. Please comment explain what the code is doing. Here's the type of comment in Dart. The first is single line comment that is good for short notes on one line. And the second is multi-line comment. You can write notes across several lines. This is useful when you want to explain something longer. Okay, let's cut it. Okay, this is a single line comment. You can use two slashes like this. Okay, sorry. Like this. Two slashes. And you can write your note after it. Or the example is at least this is a single line comment. And this is multi-line comments. And this is multi-line comments. And multi-line comment like this. And we finish about comments. And let's talk about variable and data types. Variable is like a container where we store data. For example, if you want to store someone's name or age, you can use a variable. For example, dot automatically knows that Farisa is text. So it makes this string. But we can also write data types. Um, explicitly like this. So, this integer or number, and it is double height. And this is double height or number for this. It's like a top number with decimal. And the last is bool. And this is bool. A bool is true or false. True or false. So the string is a text integer for real number, double for number with decimal, and what is bool is for true or false. And I will show you what is print. Print. Okay, print is for to show something on the screen. We use print function. For the example is this will show text hello dark on the console. And we can also print variable like this. We can also print variable. Variable is name, and we print the value of name, and the output will show you Farisa because we print name and name is a and Farisa is value of name, and we can combine text and variable like this. Like this. We can combine variable and text. Or like this. And the output is my age is and the output will show you my age is 8. And let's talk about arithmetics. If I have integer R is and integer B is and if you want to use arithmetics for the integer A and integer B, we can write And the output is the output will show you arithmetic of 6 plus 10. 6 plus 10 is 910. And you can also use more arithmetics like this. 5 minus 5 is, yeah, that's all for basic Dart tutorials. For me, we learned about comments, variables, data types, output, and article. I hope I hope this helped you know or understand about basic Dart. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.